Hi everyone, Paul Akers. I'm actually down at the Honda factory in Kumamoto, Japan. This is where they make all the bikes. I actually rented a really cool bike, an X-ADV. It means X Adventure motorcycle, and rode about 2,000 kilometers all over Japan. I got a tour of the Honda factory where they make it, where they also make the Africa Twin. Just amazing experience, and I'm going to do a quick review on this motorcycle because it's very, very unusual, and Nishida-san was just so awesome to let me ride a couple of different bikes and also to come to the factory tour. We spent 3.5 hours there, so now let's do a quick review of this amazing new motorcycle, the Honda X-ADV. So one of the things I like about this bike is it's a 750. It's got plenty of power. I never was out of power, whether I was on the freeway, on the mountain roads, it was always just perfect. The other cool thing is it's automatic as well. So it's got a lot of great features that I think are just really user-friendly. One of them is the fact that it uses a fob system, so there's no key, and then you just simply turn this right here to lock the steering wheel. You put it like this, and you can lock the steering wheel right there, or to turn it on right there to release the seat. You just push this up, the seat comes up. You got tons of storage down here. You can put a backpack, your helmet, anything you want in there. And then also the fuel is right here. The fuel comes out right there. It's really nice, very simple. To start it, you just put it over to that position right there, and you go ahead and start right there. And now it's in neutral. It's an automatic, so it's got great sound too. It's kind of a hybrid between a scooter and a real motorcycle. More of a motorcycle than a scooter because it's got tons of power. It's got the larger wheels on it. It performs just like a motorcycle, but the nice thing about it and why I liked it so much is how easy it is to get on and off it, and just everything about this bike is just really simple. So right here, it allows you to get on really easy, and when you have a rider, it's simple. The console is very easy to read. It's large. It has the date. It has the time. It has the fuel mileage. Everyth's there. And so you start it, and right here, it's automatic. So you put it in drive, and you've got an S mode, a drive mode, and an S mode. An S mode is a sport mode, and the drive mode is a normal mode. Now the cool thing is right here is automatic or manual. So right now I'm in automatic. If I want to go to manual mode, then my shifting's right here. I shift one. See right here, you can see your shifting, or you can shift right there, plus or minus. So it's very, very easy, no clutch, and you have your front brake and your back brake, and of course everything's ABS. So it's a very easy bike to negotiate, and you're just not struggling at all. The other nice thing about it is it's so small, even though it's big, you can get into tight places, so I didn't feel intimidated when I was... So when I was in Spain on the BMW, it was fantastic, but when I got into tight streets and narrow alleys, I thought, wow, am I going to be able to turn around? This bike, no problem. On this bike, you basically turn it around everywhere, and you've got all the power you want. And it's super smooth, super quiet, great in small streets in terms of not making a lot of noise, but yet it's got great sound if you wanted to make a little more noise. Everything about this bike is user-friendly, or the way I would put it is very convenient. Especially right here, I was able to keep my feet up like this, and my feet were protected when it was raining, which was really another nice feature, so I didn't get very wet. Again, everything about it cool. It's got heated grips here. The protection, the hand protection was excellent here in terms of wind and cold and all that. It was great. This windscreen adjusts fully right here. You just loosen this knob, turn this like this, and everything adjusts up and down. Now what I did is I just bought a simple little mirror mount at an automotive store, and I put my iPhone right here with a cable for navigation, and it really worked out well for that. The seat is super comfortable, nice big sergeant type seat. Look at these foot pegs that fold up for a back passenger. That is really, really nice. So overall, love the bike. I would buy this bike in a second. Number one reason why? Convenient. It does everything. It goes fast, it leans really well, does the corners really well. X-ADV from Honda. I'm here with Nishida-san. He gave me the tour all to the factory. We saw everything, where it was assembled, the whole thing. Africa Twin, this bike, Honda makes great bikes. You're gonna love it. Thanks a lot.